3 milyon! At milyon-milyon palabak para sa ating visionary president! Dr. Ed Cabanos!
Hindi tayo puno! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! This is very short, guys. Guys, excited na kayo sa AIM World? Yes! Are you ready to do the NPP? Yes! Okay, guys, a lot of people are asking, Doc, yung NPP ba pang Pilipinas lang? Okay? Okay na may slides natin? Guys, I'd like to let you know, our AIM World NPP is not only for distributors in the Philippines, but it's actually for distributors worldwide. Now, later this night, you will see kung magkakano yung delivery charges in each and every countries. Okay, nagkaroon dito ng parang segmentation per continent kung magkano yung charges, so that all of our distributors worldwide makapag-AIM World NPP. Am I clear? Yes! Okay, siguro we can dim the light. Ano ba natin i-dim yung light para makita nila? Ayan. Here in the Philippines, guys, it's $102 plus $5. So that's around $107. Pag kinonvert mo sa pesos yan, around 5.2 or 5.3. Ang ginawa namin, binaba na lang namin to a sweet spot of 4,980. 4,980, 4,980, delivered door-to-door all over the Philippines na yan. Am I clear? Yes! Dok, ano benefits kapag ka nag-NPP ako sa Pilipinas? Number one, you have these two wonderful products. iProtect and CareLift. Dalawang iProtect that will last 2 months each, so 4 months protection yan. Plus a free necklace, pendant, and then 1 pack of CareLift. Ang suggested retail price yan is $140, but you're getting it delivered door-to-door for $4,980. Am I clear? Yes. So pag nag-NPP ka, just like what we do with other NPPs before, may right ka na ngayong kumita sa NPP ng downlines mo. And then, soon, we will launch AIM World Global Packs. So, pag pumasok na yung AIM World Global Packs, company magdi-deliver ng products door-to-door in 200 countries, papanig ang lahat ng points sa'yo. Am I clear? Yes. So, pag nag-NPP ka, activated na yung AIM World account mo at carry over na lahat ng downlines mo. Pag nag-NPP ka, one time lang, not per account, one time 4,980, pero lahat ng accounts mo sa AIM Global, activated na sa AIM World. Plus, pagka nag-AIM World NPP ka, may Sunday encoding ka na rin. In short, yung pinapresent mong 24,000 pesos per day, hindi na 6 days a week, 7 days a week na yan. Am I clear? Yes! So, maganda ba mag-NPP? Yes! Okay, let's proceed. Talagang papausig mo ako, no? Malamig pa. Guys, last Sunday, ito yung last Sunday eh. Ito yung last Sunday. Last Sunday, we presented a way para mag-order. Kasi this is purely online. The important thing is mag-order ka muna. You don't need to pay right away. Kasi iba iniisip, punta ka agad sa counter, magbayad. Since this is an online division of the company, we want to train you as early as possible. So when you order products, order online. Everybody say, order online. Order online. We did a better, a faster, a quicker, a more distributor-friendly way para mag-order online. Nandito ba yon? Okay, paano mag-order online? Ayan, hinahanap pa nila. Yung una, ang ginawa natin, what I mentioned last Sunday, pupunta ka kagad sa aimworld.today. So ito mas pinapadali namin kasi inobserbahan namin yung mga nag-order online, yung iba nalilito because we designed yung shopping cart ng aimworld.today na SRP muna siya. Para pag may umorder ng customer, suggested retail price. Pag nilink mo na siya sa user ID mo sa AIM Global, tsaka bumababa yung presyo ng products natin o ng NPP. Am I clear? So kanina, okay, niretoke ng IT. So bukas, lunchtime, abangan nyo to. Bukas lunchtime, mas madali yung pag-order ng AIM World NPP. Paano po yan? Hindi mo na kinakailangan muna pumunta sa aimworld.today. Punta ka sa DTC mo. Okay? Sa loob ng DTC mo, may makikita kang bubulaga sa harap. upgrade and buy the AIM World NPP now. So dito yan nakalagay. I-click mo yan. Pag click mo yan, next, ihingin sa'yo yung name, complete address, complete email address, and complete cellphone number. In short, para mong ina-update yung profile mo. Am I clear? Yes. Doc, bakit kinakailangan ibigay ko yung lahat na yan? This is important for delivery. Kasi remember, online to, i-deliver yung products mo door to door. Baka mamaya, ibang address ang ibigay mo sa iba mapunta yung product, sayang naman. Okay, next. After this, ayan. Magkakaroon yan ng prompt na successful. Magkakaroon siya ng resulta na order ID number. Everybody say order ID number. Order ID number. Yan yung kailangan ma-generate. Order ID number. I-email sa'yo doon sa email na binigay mo at lalabas din dyan. Pag lumabas na yung order ID number, pwede ka na ngayon magbayad. You have ways to pay. Number one, pwede ka magbayad ng cash sa branch, sa head office, or pwede ka mag-deposit sa bank account ng company sa BDO. Am I clear? Pag nag-deposit ka ng bank account, nag-deposit ka sa bank account ng company sa BDO, ilalagay mo yung order ID number. And then, next, you can wait for a few days. Wait for the company to confirm yung payment. Pag na-confirm yung payment, lalabas sa e-store. Next, lalabas sa e-store yung codes na binili mo. Am I clear? So wala pa tayong binabanggit na aimworld.today. Lahat puro nasa AIM Global DTC. Am I clear? Yes. Pag lumabas na ngayon, sa e-store, yung NPP codes mo, magkakaroon pa ng countdown yan. Lalagay doon sa paglabas, pagbukas mo ng DTC mo, you now have X amount of days to encode your NPP. Para wag mo makalimutan. Kasi ang encoder ng NPP, March 15. So may countdown. You now have 20 days before encoding your NPP. Kasi baka mamaya, yung iba nangyayari po yun, nakita namin sa database, nag-NPP, may codes, nakalimutan i-credit. Sayang naman. At least, every time na bubuksan mo yung DTC mo, nakalagay doon. You now have 20 days, you now have 19 days, you now have 18 days to credit your NPP. Am I clear? Yes. Again, one time lang to. Other people are asking, Doc, ba't ba kinakailangan mag-NPP? You are lead distributors ng company. Am I right? Yes. As a lead distributor ng company, we expect, and the market expects, and your prospect expects, na at least man lang nasubukan mo yung product one time. Am I right? Yes. Hindi naman namin minamandate na bumili ka ng products, lahat ng products ng AIM Global, buwan-buwan. Kasi ang daming yan. Bilhin mo lang yung gusto mo at gagamitin mo. At least man lang nasubukan mo lahat. Kasi mahirap yung meron kaming C24/7, meron kaming live-in, meron kaming burn, meron kaming white light, meron kaming perfect white, meron kaming ganito. Pag tinanong niya, nasubukan mo na ba ito? Hindi pa. At least man lang sa NPP, tuwing ilo-launch yung product, you're given the chance na bumili ng NPP package para matikman mo yung product na yan on the launching date. Am I clear? Yes. Para pag tinanong ka ng prospects, tinanong ka ng market na inaalokan mo online tsaka offline, natikman mo na ba lahat ng products ng AIM? Of course. Confidently, you can say yes. Okay? And then your leaders will also duplicate that. Your leaders will also do the NPP. Okay? Guys, mapagmamalaki natin sa buong mundo na network marketing company, tayo lang yung may NPP. Tayo lang. Because this is one way for you to really know the products, and this is one way for you to test the products na mga distribute natin. And when we talk about our company, namimili tayo ng product. Very particular tayo sa product. We don't just launch product ng ganun-ganun. Talagang pinag-aaralan natin yung products natin. Next. Doc, question, what about yung other countries? Kasi binanggit natin sa Pilipinas yung network nyo sa ibang bansa, nagtatanong na rin, am I right? Yes. Basta ang fixed amount is the $102. So $102 plus shipping charges or delivery fee. Okay? Handa na ba yung PowerPoint for the delivery fee? Guys, I'd just like to let you know, nung kinotan kami ng FedEx kasi magdi-deliver door-to-door all over the world. Nung kinotan tayo ng FedEx, ng delivery charges, masyadong mahal. May ilang percentage na sinagot yung company. Para South Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam, it's $18. 1.8. So 102 plus $18, total of $120. Marireceive nila yan sa bahay nila. Okay, next. For, ito mahaba-haba. Australasia. For Australia, New Zealand, India. Ayan. Diba meron mo may prospect sa India dito?
Yes.
Amoy India.
Yes.
Ayan, alam na. American Samoa, Cambodia, Cook Islands, East Timor, Fiji, French Polynesia, Guam, Laos, Marshall Islands, Micronesia, Mongolia, New Caledonia, Norfolk Islands, Northern Mariana Islands, Palau, Papua New Guinea, Rota, Saipan, Samoa, Tahiti, Tonga, Vanuatu, Wallis, and Futuna. And it's 25 US dollars. So 102 plus $25, 127 US dollars yung NTP nila. Okay? Next. Region 4, ito na, Canada and Mexico. Canada is around 40 million, Mexico almost 100 million, guys. Ang sarap mag-network sa Mexico. Okay? Bakit masarap mag-network sa Mexico? Dahil ang mga Mexicano medyo dinidiscriminate ng US. Kaya ang mga Mexicano ang nag-excel sa network marketing sa US territory. Gusto nilang pakita sa kano na, oy, minority man kami, kaya namin kumita ng mas malaki pa sa kinikita ng puti. Okay, kaya sila nag-excel. So for Canada and Mexico, it's 25 US dollars. So 102 plus 25, it's $127. Again, this will be placed on our Facebook. NPP yan. NPP. Dok, bakit nila kinakailangan mag-NPP? Pwede bang ipadala na lang nila sa Pilipinas? Yung product, pwede rin. Kaya lang, look at this. Kung maglo-launch tayo ng AIM World Global Pack doon sa kanila, ano sample product sila doon ay papakita? Wala. Kaya dapat sa kanila i-deliver yung NPP para ipang aalok nila sa prospects nila ron na lokal, na taga doon mismo sa bansang yon, mapapakita nila yung products. Am I right? So for United Kingdom, Germany, France, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Monaco, Netherlands, Vatican City, which is Italy, okay? Region 5 to $35. So $102 plus $35 delivery fee, 137 US dollars. Okay? So para sa mga may downline sa UK, France, and Italy. Okay, next. Region 6, ito mahaba-haba. Spain, Norway, Israel. Ayan, ang daming may members sa Israel dito. Am I right? O Israel, Afghanistan, Andorra, Austria, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Canary Islands, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Egypt, Faroe Islands, Kuwait, Finland, Gibraltar, Greece, Greenland, Hungary, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Lebanon, Maldives, Malta, Nepal, Oman, Pakistan, Palestine Autonomous Region, Poland, Portugal, Slovak Republic, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Syria, Turkey, Yemen. Okay? It's 35 US dollars, so 137 US dollars. Delivered door to door. Next, Region 7. Ano, ang dami. Ano ba sikat dyan? Ayan, pinakagusto ko, Brazil. Okay, Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Antigua, Argentina, Aruba, Bahamas, Barbados, Bermuda, Belize, Bermuda, Bolivia, Bonaire, British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Chile, Curacao, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, no? El Salvador. Nawan na ako kay Jogi, si Salvador. Grand Cayman, Great Touch Island, Great Tobago Islands, Grenada, Guadalupe, malapit lang to. Guatemala, Guyana, Haiti, Honduras, Jamaica. Usually mga islands to, Panama, Paraguay. Okay. Trinidad and Tobago, ayan, US Virgin Islands, Uruguay, Venezuela. Usually mga Spanish-speaking countries yan. It's $37, so $139 total. Next. Region 8, ito yung pinakamarami, na medyo maraming sikat. Region 8, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, Albania, Algeria, Angola, Belarus, Botswana, Bulgaria, Congo, Croatia, Estonia, Ethiopia, Gabon, Georgia, Ghana, Guinea, Iceland, Ivory Coast. Ito, maganda mag-network dito para sa mga may mahilig mag-online. Kazakhstan. Okay? Ang Kazakhstan, 10 million lang ang tao dyan, pero ang yayaman. Dok, ano yung tsura yan? Maiitim na maliliit. Hindi ko nagbibiro. May isang company, hindi ko lang babanggitin kung anong company, pero Questnet yun. Todo-todong sumabog sila sa Kazakhstan kasi ang mga tao dito, ang dami nilang pera. Kahit hindi mukhang madaming pera, madami silang pera. I-google niya Kazakhstan, Kenya, Latvia, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Lithuania, Macedonia, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali. Ayan, Mozambique, Romania, Russia. Alam ko, ang Network 888 may Russia. Okay? Rwanda, Serbia, Togo, Uganda, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Kasama South Africa, kasama Tanzania, mga East Africa yan. So take note of those region in that part, those countries in that particular region, $40 so $142. Next, eto na, US. US Western Region. Saan yan? Anong state ng US? Colorado, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Nevada. Nevada, nandyan ang Las Vegas. California, Oregon, Washington. $25. So, 102 plus $25, $127. Okay, next. Ito, US, rest of the states, plus Puerto Rico. Yan. Puerto Rico, it's also $25, 102, so $127. So, yun yung mga if-feed nyo information sa mga downlines nyo all over the world. Meron pa ba next page to? After Region 10. Ayan na, Feb 8. Tulad ng binanggit ko kanina, we're accepting payments already, but you need to go online first para magkaroon kayo ng order ID number. Okay, next. Feb 18. 8, tapos 18. 18, guys, eto na yung pinakahihintay ng lahat. Credit card payment ng NPP online. So this is the first time na gagawin ng company ito, kaya as early as last week, nagtitest na sila. Multiple $102 galing sa iba't ibang mga bansa, sa iba't ibang mga credit card. Tinitest yung system natin. Okay, para at least masecure namin na lahat papasok. Remember the dates? Feb 18, credit card, online payment ng NPP, tsaka ng delivery fee. Okay? Next. Ayan na, March 15, NPP encoding. Encode na. Okay? So, NPP pa lang, exciting na, di ba? Exciting ba? Yes! Sabihin nyo, 200 countries. This time around, may legal ka ng product iaalok sa South Koreans, legal na product na iaalok sa Hapon, legal na product na iaalok sa Canadians, sa Americans, sa Europeans. Okay? Hindi ka na ngayon mahihiya kung pag tinanong naka-registered ba yan? This product doesn't need registration kasi hindi mo naman nilulunok. Okay? So, March 15, NPP encoding, and the most important part, alam na alam ko, ito inabangan nyo, March 18. Guys, nakakatawa, March of 2006, we launched the company 10 years ago. So, 10 years ago, 10 years na ngayon yung company, March 18, parang panibagong division ng company, parang another 10 years na naman. Okay? Panibagong 10 years na naman. March 18, AIMWorld Global Pack na ilo-launch natin. Marami nagtatanong, Doc, how much? Everybody ask me how much? How much? Secret. Yes! Just to let you know, hindi siya magiging 8,000. Okay? Number one, it should be in US dollars. Para universal ang ating currency, US dollars. The same marketing plan. Okay? $33 ang paying or 1.5 pa rin na ipapadala ng company. The company sets the pricing like this. Ang 8,000 na pesos, yan ang negosyong networking pang Pilipinas 10 years ago. Tama o tama? Now we're talking about 200 countries. Hindi kakayanin ng budget kung 8,000 pa rin. So medyo mas mataas. Okay? Medyo mas mataas. Kasi kung mag-e-effort ka rin lang mag-online, gusto namin, mabayaran ka ng malaki-laki. Mas malaki yung direct referral bonus. Okay ba yun? Mas malaki yung direct referral bonus. Of course, ganun pa rin, 8 sa umaga, 8 sa gabi, pero nag-iisip kami ng mas exciting pa. Okay, kunwari lang, sa global pack ng AIMWorld, meron niya tawag na stair-step points. Stair-step points. Ano ibig sabihin no? Sa lahat ng global pack na papasok sa'yo sa AIMWorld, may override ka pa ron. Yes! Whether strong leg or weak leg. Yes! Kasi stair-step points eh. Di Di ba, ang naririnig mo lang dati yung star step saan? Reorder. Am I right? Yes. Reorder. Ito ngayon, global pack ng A-World meron. Yes. Exciting ba yun? Yes. Kaya talagang aambisyonin mo mag-silver. Aambisyonin mo mag-gold. Aambisyonin mo mag-global ambassador. Bakit? Kasi hindi lang sa reorder meron, pati sa registration meron din. So, abangan niyo yan, abangan niyo yan. We will finalize this. We will finalize this bago mag-March 18. Okay? Also, just to let you know also, ito final na to. Ang international, we will divide it into two. Everybody say two. Isang Big 4, saka isang 200 countries. Dok, ano yung Big 4? US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. I want to be honest with this and I want you to be clear with this. Ano yung Big 4? US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Doc, why is it considered Big 4? Kasi number 1, mga first world country sila. Okay, US pa lang 350 million na ang population. Now, with these Big 4 companies, Big 4 countries, bawal ang multiple heads. Okay? Bawal ang multiple heads. Pero sa 200 countries, pwede ang multiple heads. Okay? Of course, policy pa rin, up to 7 accounts lang per name. Am I clear? Yes. But we devised a way para sa Big 4 countries. Ano yung way? Naglabas tayo ng 3 klase ng global pack. Puro 1 account. Pero, ang consideration niya in terms of binary points, parang 1 account, parang 3 account, at parang 5 accounts. Nagigets niyo po ba? Yes. Okay, paano ba yan? Bossing, pakuha naman ng ano. Ayan. Ito pala si Tagi. Di ba? Hinaabangan yung UK, tama ba? O, look at this. For US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. The Big 4 countries. Okay? With these 4 countries, you will offer 4 entry level. Itong unang entry level, meron siyang 1,200 binary points. Parang 1 account, may isang bangga sa'yo. Am I clear? Yes. Itong second entry level, may 3,600 binary points. Pero isang account lang. Parang 3 bangga sa'yo. Am I clear? Itong third entry level, 6,000 binary points. Parang 5 account, 5 bangga sa'yo. 1, 3, 5. Pero isang account lang. Parang isang account lang. Dok, bakit sila bibili ng 3? Kung tawagin natin itong Bronze Global Pack. Tawagin natin itong Emerald Global Pack. At ito tawagin natin Diamond Global Pack para go for Diamond. Bakit sila bibili ng Emerald at ng Diamond? Simple lang, mas marami yung product niya sa Bronze. Hindi lang times 3. Ang product ng Emerald times 3 times 4. So mas value for money. In short, parang niya nga nakuha ng wholesale yung product. Mas mura. Am I clear? At ito, 1 account. Pero mas maraming products ito at mas murang products yung nandito. Maganda o napakaganda? Sabi niyo ba, Doc, bakit 5 lang yan? Bakit 5? Anong niyo ko, why? Why? Kawawa naman yung upline niyo kung 7 kagad yan. Tama. Tapos yung upline, meron pa yung magpigil. Huwag muna kayo magpapasok, ha? Okay, may papasok na Diamond Global Pack. Guys, look at this. Dok, paano kapag nag-Emerald Global Pack na 3,600 binary points? Nag-develop siya ng left, nag-develop siya ng right. After some time, may mga requirement. Kunwari, na-reach niya yung Silver Executive. May required number of direct referral and reorder. After some time, sisingit yung number 2 tsaka number 3 immediately below number 1. Am I clear? In short, kapag hindi siya nag-progress sa achievement level, walang sisingit na number 2 at number 3. It's part of the marketing plan. Ang tawag po doon, re-entry. Okay, para lang yan sa Big 4 countries, re-entry. Kasi nga, bawal yung magpapasali ka 3 heads ka agad, 7 heads ka agad. Eh, wala namang difference yung 1 sa 3 sa 7 other than sa marketing plan. In short, they're journeying because of the marketing plan, not of the products. Pero with here, mas maraming products. Ba't sila bibili nito at saka nito? Kasi mas maraming products. Hindi lang times 3, hindi lang times 5. Mas marami pa doon. Am I clear?